Hey guys, welcome back, my golf fans. The Masters tournament is coming up April 7th to 13th, 2025, and the official Masters app is your ticket to every shot, put, and green jacket moment. I'm breaking down how to use this free app to watch live, track players, and customize your vibe. So guys, after downloading it from your corresponding store, you need to set it up and navigate, open it and sign in with your account. I'm not going to use account in this case. As you can see, just go to the account and you can log in right over here. Very, very easy. After that, you'll land on a clean home screen. As you can see, I'm right over here with tabs like leaderboard, video, news, and my group. Also watch live and plays. So guys, from here you can do different things, of course. After that, you can just make it yours. Go to my group, for example, and add favorite players. Just go to players. After that, you can also tap on the leaderboard for real-time scores or use the 3D shot tracking to see ball paths and distances. It's next level. Guys, also enable push notifications and settings for updates on your players or gate openings. I got an alert when my faves made a birdie, kept me locked in. Now dive into the live streams. From Thursday to Sunday, you can watch the full broadcast, simulcast, or special feeds like Masters on the Range, all in HDR with a solid Wi-Fi or 4G connection. So it's going to be in Watch Live tab right over here. And guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you use this app. Navigate live streams, track waves with my group, and soak up every Augusta moments. Guys, drop your favorite feature below, like and subscribe, and hit that bell for more golf hacks. Catch you in the next Masters. See you next time, guys.